Hi friends, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you a quick hot roller tutorial. This is second day hair, so easy, so quick, and on my eyes today, I don't know if you could tell, I've got my Naked Honey. Now I did a video on this, so love this, love it for summer, and it's May 1st, happy May Day, and YouTube has a little thing called Everyday May, and I'm going to try to do it. We'll see if it happens, and put a little lipstick on and get your hair done and make it a great day. So, ready for this? It's so easy. All you do is, this has 5 rollers. You heat it up, which I already did. I start with this first piece right here. All I did was brush my hair out. So you brush it out and you put 5 in your hair. It's the easiest thing. I'm not even kidding you. Leave the end out, and it's second day hair. It's so great. Okay, and also you run them vertically. Now in the olden days, we used to run them like this. This is vertically. Okay, leave the end out, curl it like that, and put these in, and you just leave them in for a few minutes. Like I said, I have thick hair too. There's only 5 rollers, okay? And again, I use this, do not use this the first day you wash your hair. This is my second day hair because I did my roots, and watch my root video on doing your roots yourself, but follow the instructions because you don't want to mess it up. So, okay, so that's 3. Here's 4, and I kind of go back and forth left to right so that you're not one side of your hair is on longer than the other. And then, oh, and by the way, they also have the little clips, but these are the old-fashioned clips, and I never knew this, but you see this little curve right here? That part is the part that you go against your scalp. I think everyone thinks you do the flat part there, but it's actually the curved part, so hot tip on that. Okay, this is my last one. So I go, and I'll tell you what, these hot rollers, I know they seem old school, but I'm telling you what, they take all the frizz out of my hair, because my hair is coarse and frizzy, and it just smooths it out. So, okay, hello. That has taken me approximately 2.5 minutes to put in, and you kind of let it cool a little bit. You know, maybe you freshen up your eyebrows. I have this eyebrow pencil I've been wanting to share. This is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Okay, I got this at CVS. It is $2. It is my favorite. It's called Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Love this so much. Look, can you see Instant Lift? It's $2. So maybe while your hair is cooling, you just freshen up your eyebrows a little bit, right? Why not? I mean, or maybe you put a little more mascara on, or you put a little moisturizer on, or look what else I have. Do you guys know about this all-nighter, Urban Decay all-nighter? It's setting spray, and it just sets your makeup. So I've already done my makeup. Maybe you just spritz some of this on, like that, and it just sets your makeup, and it's really refreshing because it's getting hot. Let me tell you what. May 1st, it's getting hot. Hopefully we're coming out of this pandemic. Hopefully you're staying positive, and watch my other videos because I've got so many exciting things coming. So, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now I've let this sit in my hair for about another minute or so. I've freshened up my makeup, and that's it. You just take these out. I kind of, again, I go back and forth side to side as I take them out, and they cool. And I just kind of, if they're a little too curly, I kind of like pull it down like this, and it just kind of relaxes it a little bit because you don't want it all like poofy, like ooh la la too much. And you're not gonna believe this, like it's crazy. This is like second day hair, and you're like, yes please, look at these curls. Isn't that great? Now again, don't forget, leave the end, see this end? Leave these ends out, because you don't want them all like tight like that. So keep going back and forth, taking them out one by one. And you can also do it with your hair parted in the middle, I usually have mine part on the side, but you can do it either way. Part in the middle. If you part it in the middle, you do 2 here, and then 1 in the back. So maybe I'll show you that one in the next couple days. So, and then you just take your fingers, run it through, zhuzh it out a little, like this. And look at that. Yeah, ready to walk out the door in 5 minutes. You're welcome. So anyways, I love you guys. I got a lot more coming, so stay tuned and have a blessed day. Bye.